What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shelly, and today we are doing day 14 of Halloween. And as you can see from the thumbnail and also what I am showing, we are doing today's Joaquin Phoenix's Joker. Oh my god, I love that movie. If you haven't seen it, what rock have you been living under? I literally love that movie. It's just, oh my god, it just gives me everything from like dark themes to like, I also love that it shows the dark side of the human psyche. Like, oh my god, it's just, I'm not going to give it away too much. It really like makes you emphasize with the Joker and, you know, just really see him as a human being. And I really like that. I really was digging it. Joaquin Phoenix's performance, like, that's me clapping. I don't want to clap too loud because my mic is literally right here. It gives you a whole lot of Batman Joker vibes. And if, like, you know, I guess a little fun fact about myself, Batman is my favorite DC hero, and of course you already know the Joker is my favorite villain, so I had to do it. Since I did Harley Quinn, we cannot leave the Joker out of this one. So yes, we will be doing Joker today. I will not be talking through this tutorial with you guys because this is a very simple look. I'm pretty sure you guys can get the gist of it by watching the video, so I will just let you guys sit back and relax and listen to the music. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.